Hi, this is Mansi Mukherjee ma'am, your computer teacher, doing a warm welcome to your online computer classes. Please like, share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to post your comments as you are doing it. So let's start our today's session.
Yes, class 8th. Let's continue with our topic Advanced Feature of Access Part 4. By this time you must be knowing how to do sorting and filtering, how to work with queries, what is the advantage of query, right? And also you know what is the advantage of forms and reports. You know how to create and forms and report. In today's session, we will be having a quick recapitulation of forms and report, how to create it from a table. Practically I will show it to you. After that we will discuss, tick the correct option of this chapter, and this you have to do in book. If you don't have, please write the answers in any rough or anywhere you want for the time being. Let's first discuss the practical aspects of forms and reports. I just show you how forms and reports are being created. Please class 8, see here. You know how to create the database. You know how to insert the queries, how to work with queries, right? If you have forgotten, please go to part 2. There I have explained it. Please go through it. Now this is one table of employment ID and all, address, date of joining is there. We will be creating a form. Go to create. We are creating something, so we will go to which tab? Create. Go to create option. Here form is there. Click on form. A form is being created. Fine. See here, this is record navigate bar, where we can see the next record. Likewise, all the records will be displayed. See here, by clicking on this. If you want to search a particular record, you can type the name and the record will get displayed. Fine. Is this clear? Form. What is form? Beta, form is something that display one record at a time, right? Now let's create the report. Form is clear. Now let's create report. Create. Go to report option. You can see information of all the employees at one place. You can print this. All the information are displayed on the at one place. And in case of form, one information is being displayed at a time. So this is the basic difference between form and report. Now clear how form and report is being created? It is a recapitulation of part 3 only. Now we will discuss the MCQ type questions. I have only written the correct answers and we will discuss. Fine. Record can be sorted in Access using the option under the dash tab. Sorting you are doing now. Under which tab sorting and filtering is available? You have just gone to Access sheet. There you know now, where home tab. Home tab is there where sorting and filtering option is available. I just show you. Just see. See here. This is home tab. This is home tab. Here sorting and filtering option is available now. So our correct option is sorting and filtering. Next. Record can be filtered in Access using the option under the dash group. Sort and filter. The dash box can be used to find the data in an Access table. Which box is used? Search box. Search is available there at the bottom. A form in the Access is normally used to view dash record at a time. How many records at a time it displays? 1. The contextual tab appear when a form is created. Design tab is appear, right? The dash of a form can be changed from the design tab. What property of the form can be changed, title can be changed, right? Using the option, you can display a selected number of record based on one or more condition. Selected number of records can be displayed using query. I told you now we were applying query, right? So that a selected number of record editors, I want the data of editor, that will be displayed in the query, right? Remember in part 2 I was explaining you these things. So using the dash option, you can display a selected number of records. If you want to display the selected number of records, then we use query. But if you want to display all the records, then we use report. The search window is located. Where the search window is located? In the axis, search box is located. Where search box is located in the axis window? At the bottom. Fine. Is this MCQs are clear to you? Queries, report and form are clear? How to create database is clear to you? If so, please let me know through comment box. If there is any kind of confusion, then also you should comment me. I will explain it to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.